Good afternoon. My name is Professor Rosa Khairat Rizvi, and today I just want to discuss head injuries secondary to the road traffic accident or fall or maybe assault. The young group, which ranges from 15 to 25 years, are the main victims of the head injuries, riding the bikes, not wearing the helmets. And it is observed that 82 to 85% of the bike riders driving the bike not wearing helmets, and they are getting severe head injuries. And during last year 2019 and 20, or maybe 2018 or 19, we had a survey of all head injuries in which we calculated there were 35,000 head injuries almost in a year, and 84% of the population was 15 to 25 years of patients getting severe head injuries, and fatality was immediate deaths were 700, those who died on the spot and before getting any treatment. And approximately 50 to 60%, 50 to 60 patients were monthly died in one unit of Karachi, and which is the very significant amount of the mortalities. So overall, when we go into the details, it was approximately 3 to 4% are the deaths occurring because of severe head injury, and the only one reason, which is very important when we talk about it, is a law and order situation in the province, leading to the high-speed traffic, leading to the not wearing helmet, not getting any punishment, those are not wearing helmets, and leading to the severe head injury. And you can imagine the age group of 15 to 25 years, it's the pioneers of the future, and we are losing that generation just because of a very simple thing, which is not wearing helmet. So I will request to my that population to please consider the helmet as a life-saving situation. Don't put your life in the threat of death or major deficits. Thank you very much.